Hello everyone, my name is Pooja. Today's date is 22 February. Today's video topic name is an string method. First of all, we have to see what is meant by a string. After that, we have to see an strings method. So first is a string. String is a sequence of character. But in Java, basically string it is an object which represent the sequence of character values. Java.lang.string class is used to create a string object. Java.lang.string class implement the serializable, comparable and character sequence interface. In that character sequence interface, which represent the sequence of character values. String buffer, string builder, implement that, and all of these three classes. Using these three classes, we can create the string object. Java lang.string class provides us lots of method to perform different operations. Such a method as concat, trim, equals, to uppercase, to lowercase, caret method, etc. methods are provided to perform lots of operation or to perform a specific operation. So one by one we have to see all of this method in detail. So first method is caret method. It returns the character value at the specified index. That index must be in between 0 and length minus 1. If the length is less than 0 and greater than length minus 1, then it throw an exception like array index out of bond or index out of bond. That's why we must be sure that index must be between 0 and length minus 1. Second is equals method. It compares the given string with the specified given string. It returns true if it matches, otherwise it returns false. Third is the equals ignore case. In that it works same as equals methods, but it doesn't require case while comparing. It is a case insensitive method at the time of comparison. Third is a hash code method. It returns the hash code of the given string. Next is a compare to method. This method compare two string based on the Unicode value of each character in a string. Then compare to ignore case. This method works same as a compare to method. Next is start with in a bracket string prefix. Given string checks that string start with must be a prefix. If yes, then it returns true, otherwise it returns false. Then ends with in a bracket string suffix. It checks that given string end with that suffix. If it s, then it returns true, otherwise it returns false. Next is contains in bracket character ch. The string that contains character values. If it contains, then it returns true, otherwise it returns false. If that ch is null, then it returns the null pointer exception. To uppercase, given string converted into uppercase, given string converted into string into uppercase. To lowercase, given string must be converted into lowercase. Next is a concat. Concat a string with the specified given string. Next is an replace in a bracket char old comma char new. Replace a given string with the old character with the new character. Next is the index of. This method returns the index of first occurrence of the substring. Last index of. This method returns the index of last occurrence of the substring. Next is a substring method. It returns the substring of the given string. Next is the intern method. This method searches the given string in the memory pool. If it is found, then it returns the replace of it. If it does not found in the memory pool, then it will be create a string in the memory pool. Next is a isEmpty method. This method checks that given string will be empty or not. It returns true if the given string of length is 0. It returns false if the given string length is non-zero. Next is a trim method. It removes the starting and ending spaces of the given original string. Next is an to uppercase. It converts the given string into uppercases. To lowercase, it converts the given string into the lower cases. Next is a content equals in a bracket string buffer SB. The given specified string will be compared with the string buffer. Next is a matches. This method match the specified string with the regular expression. It returns true if it is matches. Otherwise, it returns false. Next is a 2-char array. The specified string will be converted into character array. Next is the length. It will be return the length of the specified string. Next is the replace first. This method replace the first occurrence of the substring, and that will be fit on the regular expression. Next is the replace all. This method replace all the occurrences, and that will be fit on the regular expression. Next is split method. This method split the given string and it returns into array substring. Next is the trim method. This method remove the starting and ending spaces of the original string. Next is the format method. This method return the formatting Java string.